So guys, we have discussed SHM using restoring force. Then we have discussed angular form of SHM. Now look at this interesting case. Why we have discussed angular form of SHM. तो बिना एंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ SHM को यूज किए ये सवाल को अगर अपने करने जाएंगे तो शायद तेल पानी ज्यादा खर्च हो जाए. तो इसको अगर अपने सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करें, सो हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू डील विद इट. सो ओवर हियर द क्वेश्चन इज कि एक सिंपल पेंडुलम है attached from this rigid support, released making an angle alpha with the vertical, and it is going to elastically collide with this wall. So where beta angle is less than alpha, we need to calculate the time period of SHM. इसको अपने restricted case of SHM भी कह सकते हैं, जहां पे SHM को पूरा नहीं होने दिया जा रहा है, SHM को पहले ही रोक दिया जा रहा है, and then the particle is coming back. So over here, definitely this part of motion where this particle is going to move in this direction, then go in this direction, bounce back and start coming back in this direction, and then reach back to this point. तो अगर इस मोशन को अगर हम लोग इसको इस तरीके से ब्रेक करके सोचें तो we can say that yes, so definitely it is an example of oscillatory motion, but how are we exactly going to solve this? तो इसको solve करने के लिए we are beginning from this interesting point. तो फिर से मैं आपको फिर वही मैं पुराना हिसाब बेटा बात वापस से आ जाता है. अगर आपको चार ऑप्शन दिए हैं तो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए वो सिर्फ चार ऑप्शन को सॉल्व कर देंगे तो भी इसका आंसर आ जाएगा. बट इफ यू वांट टू गो इनटू द डिटेल्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग फिजिक्स, then we need to understand what exactly I'm going to do and why I'm exactly doing all these things. So let us understand this. So if angle beta and alpha are equal to each other, तो अगर ये दोनों इक्वल होते हैं तो इस दीवार का कोई काम ही नहीं होता. ये बॉब को आप यहाँ से रिलीज करते, ये वहां जाता, वहां पहुंचती इसका वेलोसिटी 0 होता, ये वापस लौट आता, तो टाइम पीरियड बन जाता 2 पाई रूट एल बाई जी, जो हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर दिया. अगर मैं ऐसा कह दूं कि ये दीवार को मैं सीधा कर देता हूं, यानी कि बीटा के वैल्यू को 0 डिग्री कर देते हैं, तो बीटा अगर 0 डिग्री हो जाए तो ये यहां से जाए या भिड़े वापस से लौट करके आ जाए, यानी कि ये आधा SHM एग्जिबिट करे और आधा SHM मतलब 2 पाई रूट एल बाई जी का हाफ, यानी कि पाई रूट एल बाई जी. तो इसका टाइम पीरियड आ जाए पाई रूट एल बाई जी और ये बस इतना ही मोशन एग्जिबिट करे. यानी कि आप समझ गए होंगे अगर आप पुराने व्यूअर हैं कि अगर आपके पास चार ऑप्शन है तो मैं यही कहूंगा कि ये दो वैल्यू पुट करके देख लें. अगर अल्फा इक्वल टू बीटा कर देते हैं तो 2 पाई रूट एल बाई जी जिस ऑप्शन में आ जाए वो, या जब बीटा को अगर 0 डिग्री कर दे तो आंसर आ जाए पाई रूट एल बाई जी, तो करेक्ट आंसर आ गया आपके पास. बट इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम टू गेट द एग्जैक्ट आंसर, तो क्या किया जाए? तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड कि अब क्या किया जाए. तो हम लोगों ने एक्सप्रेशन रिड्यूस किया दैट थीटा इक्वल्स थीटा नॉट sin omega t plus phi. So if we say that at t equals 0, theta equals 0, then we are going to start the motion at this point and we are calculating all the time about this mean position line. Then we can write the expression as theta equals theta naught sin omega t, where omega is equal to root L by G. Sorry, root G by L. So we have already discussed this part. Omega is root G by L and this equation. So over here we have only made this adjustment. If theta equal to 0 degree hai and t equal to 0, then we can write it as theta equals theta naught sin omega t. So over here, if we say for this part of motion that we mark as point A, point B, point B, then again from here to here, so we are marking this as time t1, T2, T3 and T4. So over here if I come this side, I can say that the total time period is sum of T1, T2, T3 and T4. And then we can also say that T1 and T4 are equal and T2 and T3 are equal. So over here I can say that T1 and T4 are equal, T2 and T3 are equal. Now T1 and T4 are going to be half of the SHM without any restriction, and hence this sum is going to be pi root L by G, that is half of the SHM, and this is the value which we need to solve which we are writing as 2T0. So over here, what I assume is that T2, let T2 equals T3 equals T0. So if I put this value T0 over here, then we will get the answer to this wonderful problem which we are discussing. So over here to solve this, we are solving this equation. So over here to solve this expression, let us say that as the bob is moving from mean position to this side, it is going to take a time T2 or T3, which is going to be T0. So over here, maximum angular displacement possible is alpha. The angular displacement which we are discussing from point P to B is beta, and this is equal to sine omega t, when omega is equal to root over g by L times T0. So this is the equation which we write as we are writing from point P to B. So if we solve this expression, then we get beta by alpha is equal to sine root g by L T0, and hence we write sine inverse of beta by alpha L by G equal to T0, and hence I can say that the final answer which we are getting is going to be pi root L by G plus 2T0, where 2T0 will become twice of root L by G sine inverse of beta by alpha. So this is the option which you must be looking for if it is a multiple option correct problem or one single option correct. That this is the equation of time period of this problem, that the particle will go from A to P, P to B, and then again come back from B to P, P to A. So this is the time period which we are looking for. अब अगर मैं वो बात कहूँ जो मैं कह रहा था कि इसका आंसर निकालने के लिए अगर ये ऑप्शन में है तो ये सारे कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाएंगे. तो अगर अल्फा इक्वल टू बीटा हो, so if alpha and beta are equal, then we will get sine inverse 1. So sine inverse 1 is 90 degree. So we'll put pi by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Pi root L by G, pi root L by G, 2 pi root L by G. So our answer is correct. We can have faith in our answer. If I will put beta as 0 degree, that is, if we make the wall straight, so beta will become 0 degree. So if beta becomes 0 degree, the sine inverse of 0. So sine inverse of 0 is 0. So this part will become 0, and you will get pi root L by G, that is half of SHA. So it is only if the option is made in this way, then you will only get this answer as the correct option. If the option is made with a minus sign, then with cos inverse, then again cos inverse plus sign, then you will only get this option is correct. So if you are having a single correct type problem, then no need to solve this entire problem in this particular way. You can just be smart. You can solve it using this condition that what if beta equal to alpha, then you should get back the correct answer 2 pi root L by G, or if beta equal to 0 degree, then it must be half of SHM pi root L by G. So we have discussed till now the force analysis to understand simple pendulum. Then we have discussed how the parameters behave 2 pi root L by G. Then we have discussed how variation of G is going to impact time period. Then we have discussed the angular form of SHM. And then we have discussed this wonderful problem which originated in IE law. And now let us discuss another important aspect. What can be the maximum time period of simple pendulum on the surface of Earth?